Welcome to this video on physician recruitment challenges. We'll be decoding hiring bottlenecks, exploring strategic scoping, and outlining the path to effective healthcare talent placement. The industry faces a 2026 recruitment crisis with a projected deficit of over 96,000 physicians. Compounded by rising attrition and shifting candidate preferences, mid-sized practices relying on static pipelines are at a severe hiring disadvantage. There are 4 fatal pitfalls in modern recruitment: weak scoping, slow sourcing, thin pipelines, and choosing the wrong partner for your specific needs. Why do traditional methods break down? Static approaches fail to address the critical physician deficit and the specific, evolving demands of healthcare candidates in 2026. To combat scoping errors and hiring sluggishness, shift from inflexible structures to agile models with transparent profiles. Additionally, streamline your interview loops and evaluation rubrics before you begin your search. Don't settle for fragile pipelines. Reach passive candidates by partnering with experts who have deep regional networks. Avoid generalist staffing agencies and instead require specialized healthcare vetting protocol. Every day a position remains vacant, your clinic loses revenue. From primary care to specialized roles like cardio and ortho, the daily cost of a vacancy can reach thousands of dollars, impacting throughput and patient access. When evaluating partnerships, the difference is clear. Specialized agencies offer faster time to fill, comprehensive preliminary screening, and significantly higher provider retention rates compared to generic firms. Our accelerated 90-day funnel moves from strategy and audit to targeted sourcing, clinical vetting, and finally, offer and launch. This structured process ensures quality placement and maintains operational continuity. The MascMedical advantage is our commitment to precision matching. We handle the administrative burden of permanent or locum placements so your leadership can focus on what matters most: exceptional patient care. Don't just take our word for it. Healthcare leaders across the country trust us as their dedicated partner for finding the right candidates and achieving long-term success. Ready to unlock your candidate pipeline? Contact MascMedical today to schedule your free physician compensation or vacancy audit. Visit our website or call us to optimize your placement strategy.